All right, good morning, Idea Montopolis College Prep. This is Mr. Caro with your morning announcements. Today is a terrific Tuesday, September 8th, and today is a B Day. Please join me in today's pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence. Okay, thank you, everybody. So we're going to start with this slide here. We are asking that all of our families please fill out this survey, tinyurl.com/Montop Return to School survey. We are still missing many of these surveys for many of our families and students, and it's imperative that we get these in. Again, we need accurate numbers, and this is the only way to get that. All right, moving on to birthdays. So unfortunately, there were no birthdays today. But there were celebrity birthdays. So we've got a myriad of folks here who are celebrating their birthdays, from politicians to social media stars to musicians. So happy birthday to them. All right, moving on to this day in history. So on this day in history, the Delano Grape strike began in 1965. And it was organized by Filipino-American labor leaders Larry Itliong and Philip Veracruz of the Agricultural Workers Organizing Committee. And they were demanding salaries that were equivalent to the federal minimum wage and the right to form their own union. Now, on this day in 1965, 1,000 Filipino-American workers walked out of the grape farms and fields to demand this call for better pay and treatment. They were replaced by Mexican workers, and in the words of one striker, there was no unity between the Mexicans and the Filipinos. The growers were very successful in dividing us and creating conflict between the two races. Now, in knowing this, Larry Itliong met with Cesar Chavez and the Mexican-dominated National Farm Workers Association. And together, they joined forces to create what we know today as the United Farm Workers Union. Now, it took 5 long years, but in 1970, table grape growers signed their first union contracts, which guaranteed better pay, benefits, and protections to the United Farm Workers and everybody that was a member thereof. Now, the big takeaway is to understand that, had both of these groups stayed divided, had the growers been successful in keeping the workers divided based on race, that they would have never have ultimately been successful in calling for their demands. Because divided, they are easily crushed, but united, as the United Farm Workers Union shows us, they were able to come together around a shared struggle and push and fight. Even though it took 5 long years, they were able to get their demands met because they were able to come together and unite around a shared struggle. So again, the big takeaway here is we have to show unity and solidarity with those among us who are struggling. Because only together can we come together and work for justice, can we achieve great things. Divided, we'd be crushed. Now, that being said, let's go ahead and move on to our announcements for today. So we're going to keep harping on this, guys. Please fill out the survey, tinyurl.com/Montop Return to School survey. Again, we do need accurate numbers. We need to know who's coming back, and the clock is ticking for our CP students. Y'all will be coming back very, very soon. Again, return to school, here are the different phases. You can pause if you want to go through this a little bit more slower. And again, we are calling for this survey to be filled out, tinyurl.com, Montop Return to School survey. Again, the clock is ticking before our CP family does come back and join us. For those of us that do choose to come back, the building is going to look very different. And this is in regards to keeping everybody safe, right, in the name of safety. And, that being said, for those of us that do join us in person, class and procedures are going to look very, very different. Once again, right, please fill out this survey. We don't have everybody's in, and we know that this is being posted in your teachers' homerooms. We know that we're not the only ones making this announcement, so we can please get this in. It'll make the transition to coming back a lot smoother for everybody. All right, meals update. Again, if we need a pause, we can do that here. College prep schedule. So again, guys, today is a B day. Today is a B day, everyone. All right, again, emphasizing that today is a B day. All right. Okay. So textbook distribution, still having it Monday through Friday, 7:30 to 11:30. Here's what we have available. Please pause to take a closer look. Tech support office hours. Again, if we're having any issues here with our technology, these are the steps we need to take. Please pause as you need. Questions, please text us at the number shown there or follow us on Facebook. And once again, guys, before we send y'all off for the day, remember that Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, strong. And if no one tells you today, remember that we love you, we believe in you, and we always will. Have a great day, Montopolis Bulldogs.